Okay guys, so I'm gonna be peeling my pumpkin. This is the, I think it's called the Kabucha pumpkin. I'll put it in my link below. So I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna, peel it and get ready to do what I need to do to get this dumpling going, okay? Here's another way to grate your coconut or your cassava or your pumpkin. I find that when you go this way, the old traditional way, it's good, it works, but I find it to be very tiresome on my shoulder. That's it for that piece. Once it's small, leave it alone. What I do like this. Circular motion. And that thing moves through so fast. It's steady. It's less tiresome. Give it a try. Okay guys, start to shape our dumpling now. So here it is. Okay guys, I'm gonna get the dumpling in the pot. All right guys, right, they're cooking. So the water is a little creamy because I put some coconut cream in there. I put some coconut milk in there so it's a little busy in the pot. And then I have a piece of breadfruit, coconut dumpling. Take a piece of onion I had in there. And then we had a piece of cassava. And this is all I'm going to put some cabbage on this. The pumpkin dumpling is so good. And I have a little bit of cornmeal in mine, just to give it a little bit more grit. Tastes so good with the cabbage. Meatless Monday. Let's cut into it again. So they come out nice. Not too soft. And not too, too tight. Just perfect, guys. Compliments to Color Smith TV. My family and I, my grandchildren, they just love watching him with making those dumplings and how the people is enjoying it. Well, I'm giving it a try. Stay tuned. Here I'll store my leftover dough from my dumpling in a Ziploc bag and place it in the freezer. We have come to the end of our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching.